We need to alert the mover of the bill that even if we were to pass it, this is a matter that subsequent to this parliamentary process, if we were to pass it, is still going to referendum automatically under the relevant provisions. And of course, it is clear there because we are going to extend the term of office of both the president and the parliament, and that is a matter the constitution requires a referendum over. Mr. Speaker, with all those, comments, I thank you and I urge the members to oppose this.
Kenya is looking at a lot of other issues in the constitution, and most probably it could be good if, as a house, and because it's part of our responsibility, we frame quite a number of issues for referendum, because now is the time to audit the constitution after 10 years serving the country. And I believe even if this particular motion does not go through, there is still that other chance of a referendum, and the responsibility truly of making constitution is by the people.
The Justice and Legal Affairs Committee, money was allocated, they went round in the entire 47 counties, Mr. Speaker. I'm requesting the honorable members who are debating, without looking at maybe the report of the committee, which is a requirement, maybe to take an opportunity and go through that report. And the report is very clear. The NAT were invited, the LSK was invited, FIDA was invited, all the key stakeholders. And Mr. Speaker, the report, 80% is the support that the election date must be moved from August to December.